If contemporary and fast-paced lifestyles were wrapped into one dynamic space, then Flow Punavale is what it would look like. Hi, I am Ankita and welcome to Flow Punavale. Premium retail spaces by Thalcom. Today, we are taking you inside one of Punavale's most thoughtfully planned retail destinations and discovering why it's called Flow. Now, most commercial projects focus on creating shops, but Flow focuses on something much more important: movement. Because when movement is constant, growth is consistent. And honestly, you can experience that thoughtfulness the moment you arrive. The dynamic spaces are designed to instantly draw you into an unforgettable experience. Every detail here has been planned to make visitors feel comfortable from the very first step.
And convenience begins even before you enter. Dedicated visitor parking ensures customers spend less time searching for a parking spot and more time exploring the businesses around them. Moving further in, these double-height showrooms immediately catch your attention. Besides giving every brand a grander presence, they also offer greater flexibility, enhanced visibility, and a premium retail experience that naturally stands apart. What I really appreciate here is how effortlessly everything connects. The independent entry and exit points keep traffic moving smoothly, while the internal circulation ensures visitors can comfortably explore the entire development without feeling rushed or restricted. Adding to this is the continuous glass facade that gives every showroom excellent exposure. In retail, visibility is everything, and here, every business gets the opportunity to be seen. Another thoughtful feature is the raised plinth. It elevates the entire development, improving visibility from the main road and helping businesses attract attention long before customers even arrive. One thing you cannot miss about Flow is the swanky high street experience. From fashion to automobiles, shopping to dining experiences, Flow ensures that style is never compromised. When you put all these details together, you realize that Flow hasn't just been designed beautifully, it's been designed intelligently. And then comes one of its biggest advantages: its location.
Situated in the heart of Punavale with seamless connectivity to Hinjawadi, the Mumbai-Pune Expressway, and rapidly growing residential neighborhoods, Flow enjoys exactly the kind of catchment that every commercial investment looks for. Thousands of families, professionals, and daily commuters already surround this location, creating a thriving ecosystem for businesses to flourish. At Flow, every design decision serves a purpose. Every space has been planned to improve movement. Every movement has been designed to create opportunity, and that's exactly what makes Flow more than just another commercial destination. With 17 premium retail spaces sold out, brands like Titan, Bata, Arvind, The Sleep Company, Habib's are already operating here. Also, the advantage of being a part of K-Shire is that convenience just hit a jackpot with maximum visibility and footfalls.
So if you're seeking to experience a dynamic work-life balance and a high street living every day, you have to visit Flow Punavale.